Good afternoon everyone. Okay, so let's discuss the question from the practical part. What is endoplasmic reticulum? Anyone? What is endoplasmic reticulum? What is endoplasmic reticulum? Anyone? What is function of this? What is the function of ER? What is endoplasmic reticulum? What are the function of ER? Anyone? Yes, I used to synthesis not Uttam, it is used or it helps to synthesize lipids and proteins. Yes, it uses or it helps to, it used not. Here is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. Yes, this is and cell organelle and this is the actually the storage and synthesis of proteins and lipids. Okay. Yes. No, it's okay, Uttam. What are lysosome? What is the function of lysosome? Anyone? What are lysosomes? What is the function of lysosome? What are lysosomes? What is the function of it? What are lysosome? What is the function of it? Membrane bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. Yes, Pratyay, it helps to digestion of the cell. Yes, so that's why it is called suicidal bag. Known as the suicidal bag, stores the waste excess, not stores Ridita, it digests the waste material excreted out of the cell organelles. A lysosome is a membrane bound cell organelle that enzymes lysosome involved in the various cell process. Yes, the breakdown of excess ऊना. ठीक है. Right, everyone. How many types of cells? What are the types of the cell? How many types of cells are there? How many types of cells are there? Tell me the name of the two types of the cells of cell. Uttam. Types of cells. Yes, give me one difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Anyone? Uttam, not plant cell and animal cell. They are prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Plant cell and animal cells are also correct, but they are present in the eukaryotic and prokaryotic, not in prokaryotic. Most of them have well organized nuclear membrane. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Which is not a step in the preparation of temporary mount of onion peel? I will tell you the four options. I provide you 4 options. Take a healthy onion. Take a healthy onion. B. Break convex side. Break convex side to obtain peel. C. Use methylene blue stain. And D. Observe under low power of microscope. Under low power of microscope. Which one is not present in the preparation of the mount of the onion peel? Tell me, there is the 4 steps are present. Tell me which one is not present in the preparation or mounting of the onion peel. Take a healthy onion. Break convex side. Convex means concave and convex of the slide. This side, convex side, to obtain onion peel. Use methylene blue stain. Observe under low power of microscope. So many types, only one types of cells are present with the characteristic, that is eukaryotic cells. We are comes under the eukaryotic, but we are multicellular. We have so many cells. We have to see both high and low. So no. Ridita, option B, Shubham, yes. Option B, Uttam, yes. Never break down the convex. Convex side means why you break down the slide? Convex side, you can see low power. This is also one of the step. Low, high, both are required, but low power is also one of the step. But you never break down the slide or watch glass. Okay, this one is not present. Take a healthy onion. Obviously, you have to take a healthy onion. Use methylene blue stain. Obviously, you have to take the methylene blue stain. Observe under low power of microscope. This is also correct. But the breakdown convex side to obtain peel. Never you just obtain peel from the flesh of the onion, not from the slice. Yes, Shubham is correct. Uttam also correct. B. Thank you everyone. Identify the, okay, I will tell you the another question. The pink color in onion peel cells are seen under microscope. The pink color in onion peel cells are seen under microscope, may be due to the following stain. Which stain? Iodine, acetocarmine, safranine, methylene blue. For which stain the onion peels show the pink color? Iodine, acetocarmine, safranine, methylene blue. Yes, safranine everyone. Thank you. In the preparation of a temporary mount of chick cell, methylene blue is used. It will stain nucleus, cell membrane. Listen to me the next question. In the preparation of temporary mount of chick cell, methylene blue is used for the mounting of the chick cell. it will stain. Which part of the cells is stained by the methylene blue? Nucleus, cell membrane, both nucleus and cell membrane, cell organelle. 5. Methylene blue stain which part? Nucleus, cell membrane, both nucleus and cell membrane, and cell organelles. No, cell membrane is not stained. Nucleus, only nucleus. Nucleus is stained by the methylene blue only. Okay, option 1, nucleus. Yes. On observing onion peel under low power of compound microscope, not simple microscope, compound microscope means you can see it very clear, okay. On observing onion peel under low power of microscope, compound microscope, which set of structures are clearly seen? Cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. Nucleus, cell membrane, vacuole, chromosome. Cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria, vacuole. Cell wall, nucleus, vacuole, chromosome. So, when you put the onion peel cell under the low power of microscope, which part you can see? No, each has the 4 option, okay. A, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. Option A, cell wall, cell membrane, next nucleus, next cytoplasm. Option B, nucleus, cell membrane, vacuole, chromosome. Option C, cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria and vacuole. And D, cell wall, nucleus, vacuole, chromosome. So, which 4 parts you can see under the low power or high power or under the compound microscope? Which parts? Cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. Yes, option A. Because these first 4 are never you can see the vacuole, you cannot see clearly chromosome, but these 4 part first, when you see anything first, the outer structure, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. These 4 are visibly clear to you. Yes, chromosomes cannot be seen. Thank you everyone. To observe cell in an onion peel, we must prepare slide by mounting on it crushed pulp on onion, dry scale leaf, green leaf of an onion, the layer of fleshy leaf of onion. From which part you obtain the onion peel? To observe the cell in an onion peel, to observe the cell in an onion peel, we must prepare the slide by mounting on it crushed pulp of onion. You just take pulp of onion, dry scale leaf, dry leaf, green leaf of an onion, thin layer of fleshy leaf of onion, thin layer of fleshy leaf of onion. Which one? crushed pulp of onion, dry scale leaf, green leaf of an onion, thin layer of a fleshy leaf of onion. Yes, the last one, D, the thin layer of, never take the dry leaf, green leaf part is just deleted, never pulp of onion, you just take the pulp of onion, never you cannot see because they are crushed, the cells already destroyed, damaged. So, the thin layer of fleshy leaf of the onion, this one is the correct. To observe chick cell clearly under a microscope, it must be tainted with methylene blue, safranine, iodine or any of these. Methylene blue, safranine, iodine or any of these. To observe the chick cell clearly under a microscope, chick cell under a microscope through it, methylene blue, safranine, iodine, any of these. Yes, methylene blue, only methylene blue, not D. Any of these, iodine, safranine, where you can use safranine, onion peel, iodine never used, iodine is used in the carbohydrate test. So, only methylene blue. An onion peel stained with safranine under a microscope, the cell color will be appeared deep blue, black, pinkish red, yellow. When you stain one onion peel by safranine, what will be the color of the onion peel? Deep blue, black, pinkish red, yellow. Yes, pinkish red. Safranine, that is reddish color must be present, pinkish red. Four students were asked to record their observation after seeing one onion peel under microscope. Okay? So, some students they are instructed that you just write down what you have seen under the microscope. They observed four options. First one, rectangular cell, irregular shaped flat cell, presence of large vacuole, presence of single wall. Rectangular cell, option 1, rectangular cell. When they seen the onion peel under the microscope, which option they can see? Okay, this answer will be more than one. I will give the hints. This answer will be more than one. Rectangular cells, irregular, shaped, flat cell. Number 3, presence of large vacuole, and number 4, presence of single wall. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 maybe, 2, 3, which one? Not single one, okay? So, which will be the correct option? 1 or 4, 1 or 3, 2 or 3, 2 or 4. 4 students were asked to record their observation after seeing onion peel under microscope. They observed rectangular cell, irregular shaped flat cell, presence of large vacuoles, presence of single wall. What will be the answer? Anyone? More than one option you can choose from these 4. So these are the plant cell, so that's why rectangular cell must be present, either square, either rectangular, because they have a definite shape in the plant cell. Okay, so option first must be present, not 2 is correct Uttam. Irregular shape, animal cells, so this not. Okay, presence of large vacuoles, as it is plant cell, obviously large vacuoles must be present. Presence of single wall, no, as a plant cell, cell wall, cell membrane both will be present. So this one also incorrect. So option 1 and 3 are correct. Yes, 1 and 3. This type of question will come in your exam. Two students prepared temporary mounts of onion peel and chickshell. Okay, so two students prepared temporary mounts of onion peel and chickshells respectively, but did not label the slides. Okay, so they forgot to label the slides. Two students prepared temporary mounts of onion peel and chickshell respectively, but did not label the slide. Chickshell slide can be identified by presence of nucleus, absence of intercellular spaces between the adjacent of the cell, absence of cell membrane, absence of cell wall. How could you identify the chickshell from the onion cell? Which will be not present? Presence of nucleus, absence of intercellular spaces between the adjacent cell, absence of cell membrane, absence of cell wall. Yes, option D, absence of cell wall. Smita took an onion peel and noted the characteristics. One student took an onion peel and he tries to note the characteristics. Which one is correct? Onion peel. Uninucleated cell. Uninucleated means one nucleus is present. No intercellular spaces. Cell wall is present. All of those. Uninucleated cells, no intercellular spaces, cell wall is present, all of these. Not C. Uninucleated cells, no intercellular spaces, obviously it is, yes Uttam, it is D, all of these. Uninucleated, so how could you say C? Wow, more than one nucleus is not present in the onion peel. Intercellular spaces is also not present. Cell wall is present. So all of this. Out of this, which one is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Lysosome, mitochondria, Golgi complex, ribosome. Which one is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Yes, mitochondria. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye.